Hello everyone, welcome back to the calligraphy class. Before beginning anything new, I want you all to write all the small alphabets with me. Start writing. So here we are done with small alphabets. Next we would be starting with capital alphabets. As we have already practiced small alphabets from A to Z, writing capital alphabets would be easier. So let's begin. Let's start with A. Start writing with me. Start from here, take it till first line, bring it back and make a curve. Write again like this. Now we will write B. Make a straight line, then a slight curve like this and a knot here. Write again like this. Now comes C. Make it like this, then down and like this. Write again like this. Now is D. Make a line like this, then a knot here, take it up and like this. Write again, start from here, make a knot, take it up like this. Now we will write E. Start from here like this and like this. Once again like this. Now is F. Make like this and a small curve here. Write once again like this. Now comes G. We will start from here, take it up like L and then we will make a J without lifting our pen. Make once again like this and a J. Now comes H. Like this and like this. Once again like this. Now comes I. Write with me like this. Practice again like this. Now J. J is similar to I. Write with me. Make a I like this and take it to fourth line like this. Then a curve. Write again like this. Now we will write K. Make like this like we did for H. Leave it here. Then start from here again and like this. Write again like this and again. Now comes L. For L we need to start from here, take it up, bring it to the third line and then a knot here like this. Write again like this. Now we will write M. For M we will make a slant line like this, take it down, then again one more line and then again straight down and like this. These two lines should be parallel, same way these two lines should be parallel. Practice again like this. Now is N. Like this, similar to M only, just with 3 lines. Write again like this. Next comes O. For O, start from here, take it up, bring it back like this and like this. Write again, bring it back and leave it here. Now for P, we will make same way like we did for B, like this, but we will stop here. This is P. Write again like this. Now comes Q. For Q, make a O like this. Start from here, take it till here and stop here. Now make a curve like this. Write again. Stop here and here. Next is R. Make a P like this and then like this. Write again. Make a P and then like this. Next is S. For S we will start from here, give it a knot here and then like this. Once again start from here like this and like this. T is the easiest. Just like F, make like this and done. Write again like this. Next comes U. Write with me. Start from here, up, then come down, make a curve like this, take it up, bring it back and like this. Practice again like this. Next is V. Start from here, keep it a little pointed and like this. Write again like this. Now comes W. Same way like we did, make it like this, take it up, then down and like this. Write again like this. Now is X. Make like this, come down, then like this. Write once more like this. Now we are left with just 2 more alphabets, Y and Z. We will write Y first. Start from here, make a U, then take it to the last line and up like this. Make it again like this. Now comes Z. For Z, start from here, make it like this, come down and like this. Write again like this. With this, we are done with English capital alphabets. You need to practice them multiple times. We would end our session here. Let's catch up in next session. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you for joining.